Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Explore the power of Phantom, a revolutionary cryptocurrency wallet and browsing experience designed specifically for decentralized applications, or DApps. Phantom seamlessly integrates with the Solana blockchain, providing a smooth and secure environment for managing your digital assets and interacting with a vast array of Web3 applications. With Phantom, you can effortlessly send and receive tokens, stake your Solana for rewards, and connect to a thriving ecosystem of decentralized finance, DeFi platforms, NFT marketplaces, and more. Phantom's intuitive interface makes it easy to navigate the complex world of blockchain technology, even for newcomers. Security is a top priority for Phantom. Your private keys are encrypted and stored locally on your device, giving you complete control over your funds. Phantom also employs robust security measures to protect against phishing attacks and other online threats, ensuring your assets remain safe. Phantom's sleek and user-friendly design simplifies the process of managing multiple tokens and NFTs. You can easily view your portfolio, track your transactions, and explore new opportunities within the Solana ecosystem. The integrated dApp browser allows for seamless interaction with a wide range of decentralized applications without ever leaving the Phantom interface. Furthermore, Phantom is constantly evolving. The development team actively works on adding new features and improvements based on community feedback, making Phantom a dynamic and adaptable platform for all your Web3 needs. Phantom's commitment to innovation ensures that you'll always have access to the latest advancements in the blockchain space. So, ditch the clunky, outdated crypto wallets and embrace the future of decentralized finance with Phantom. Experience the difference today.